Okay, so now let us discuss the standard form of the equation of a circle. So meron po tayong dalawang formula na ginagamit to find the equation at the standard form of the equation of a circle. So first, we have the circle with center at H and H, K. So tandaan niyo po na yung H, K, yan po yung nagre-represent ng center of the circle. So kapag ang center natin is in H and K, the formula is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. So kapag yung center daw ay h, k. Next, if the circle with center at the origin 0, 0, the formula that we are going to use is x squared plus y squared is equals to r squared. Bakit po naging x squared plus y squared na lang? Kasi po yung ating center is 0, 0 or what we call the origin. Kasi kapag ginamit nyo to, pwede nyo naman gamitin to. Kaya lang, babalik lang din kayo dito kapag yung center is 0, 0. So, let us have an example. Okay, so first example, we have find the equation of a circle with center 2, 7 and a radius of 6. So, ito po yung formula na gagamitin natin since the center is not origin or 0, 0. So, yung una pong number sa parenthesis, yan po yung ating h. Okay po. And then yung pangalawang number sa parenthesis, yan yung ating k. Okay po. And then, substitute lang sa ating formula. So, we have x minus h natin is 2. So, we have 2 squared plus y minus k natin is 7. Squared is equals to, what is our radius? 6. And then, simplify. X minus 2 squared plus y minus 7 squared is equals to 6 squared. 6 times 6, that is 36. So, this is the equation. Diba? Madali lang. So, ayan na po yung equation ng circle with center 2, 7 and a radius of 6. Okay po. Dali lang. Next example, we have find the equation of a circle with center negative 5, 3 and a radius of 12. So, yun lang din yung gagamitin natin formula since the center is not origin or 0, 0. So, we have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. Okay po. So, kung ano yung unang number sa parenthesis, yun po yung value ng h. And then yung pangalawa naman is k. Okay po. So, we have x minus h natin is negative 5. Kapag negative po, ipaparenthesis nyo ha. Parenthesis squared plus y minus k natin is 3. So, 3 squared is equals to r natin is radius of 12. So, we have 12 squared. So, simplify. X, negative times negative will become positive 5 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equals to 12 squared, that is 144. So that is our final answer. Madali lang. Last example. Okay, so last example, we have find the equation of a circle with center at the origin and a radius of 4. So kapag may nakita po kayong origin sa sentence, meaning the center is 0, 0. So ang gagamitin po nating formula is x squared plus y squared is equals to r squared. Okay po. So ayan lang po. Kasi wala naman pong center. Origin po 0, 0. Wala pong value. So we have, substitute, what is our r? So we have x squared plus y squared is equals to radius of 4. So meaning r natin is 4 squared. So simplify, x squared plus y squared is equals to 4 squared is 16. So this is the equation. Diba? What if po gamitin natin yung isang formula? Pwede naman. Babalik rin kayo dyan. So, let us try. So, we have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. Okay po. So, yung center natin is 0, 0 since that is origin. So, yung unang number sa parenthesis, yan yung h. Yung pangalawang number sa parenthesis, that is the k. So, we have x minus h natin is 0 squared plus y minus k natin is 0 squared is equals to r natin is 4. Okay po. And x minus 0, that is x, and then copy that squared. Plus y minus 0, that is y, and then squared, that is y squared, is equals to 4 squared, that is 16. Diba? Ganun lang din. Pinahaba nyo lang. Same lang ng lumabas. Kaya kapag may nakita kayong origin, find the equation of a circle with center at the origin, ang gagawin nyo lang pong formula is ito. Okay po. So, yun lang po for today's video, the standard form of the equation of a circle. Thank you for watching.